Hi folks, Jonas Cain here for another edition of Magic Words, and today we're starting a 12-episode series on the 12 components of the hero's journey. The hero's journey is a storytelling structure for telling compelling stories that's been used throughout the centuries. The first component we're going to talk about today is stasis. Stasis, it's the ordinary world. It's when everything is stable, everything is calm, everything is as it should be. As a magic word, the magic word stasis reminds us that we've already achieved a level of success and stability. So often we get so wrapped up in everything we're striving for that we forget to simply be grateful for and enjoy what we have already achieved. Well, that's it for this episode. Until next time, my name is Jonas Cain. Stay positive.